Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to focus on this settings bar and tap to the second from the left button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. And now let's pick this settings button to open the camera settings. Here in the capture category at the second place we have geotagging option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on also the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work when you need to use this. And now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, we have to go to the left corner at the bottom to this button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is the picture. Let's tap to the center so we can get access to gallery options. Now we have to tap to more in the right corner at the bottom. Here let's slide a little bit down to the details. And now at the third position we can check the location and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.